this experiment is to study the effect of acetylcholine on frog's heart are to record and understand mechanical activity of heart, to understand chronotropic and inotropic effects, to understand mechanism of action of acetylcholine on heart, to understand the terms bradycardia and tachycardia. Acetylcholine is a major neurohumoral transmitter at autonomic and somatic sites. Acetylcholine, like parasympathomimetics, influences heart rate and force of contraction. Acetylcholine acts through muscarinic receptors located in the heart.
Friends, in this practical, we have to study the effect of acetylcholine on frog's heart. मीन्स हम लोगों को एसिटाइलकोलिन का फ्रॉग के हार्ट पे क्या इफ़ेक्ट है ये देखना है. बिफोर दैट वी मस्ट नो अबाउट द ड्रग. सो एसिटाइलकोलिन इज अ parasympathomimetic drug. Means it mimics the actions of parasympathetic system. पैरासिम्पैथेटिक सिस्टम के जैसे वो एक्शन प्रोड्यूस करता है एंड इन्फ्लुएंसेस हार्ट रेट एंड फोर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. हार्ट रेट और फोर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन पे उसका इफेक्ट है दैट वी हैव टू स्टडी. नाउ सी द डायग्राम. इन डायग्राम प्री गैंग्लियोनिक नर्व फाइबर, देन एसिटाइलकोलिन, nicotinic receptors, autonomic ganglion, postganglionic nerve fiber, muscarinic receptor and the heart cell. So here we have to remember, in heart cell there are muscarinic receptors and this acetylcholine acts on the muscarinic receptor of the heart. That means acetylcholine will produce the action on the heart through the muscarinic receptors. Theory behind the experiment is here. Now see.
Acetylcholine hyperpolarizes the pacemaker cells and decreases the rate of diastolic depolarization. Because of this, the rate of impulse generation is reduced, which leads to bradycardia.
जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि एसिटाइलकोलिन हार्ट पे एक्शन प्रोड्यूस करता है थ्रू द मस्कैरिनिक रिसेप्टर. सो ऑन मस्कैरिनिक रिसेप्टर इट प्रोड्यूसेस हाइपरपोलराइजेशन. नाउ सी, देयर आर टू एक्शंस, hyperpolarization and depolarization. Hyperpolarization means relaxation and depolarization means contraction. तो एसिटाइलकोलिन का ये मैकेनिज्म है कि इट हाइपरपोलराइजेज द पेसमेकर एंड डिक्रीजेज द रेट ऑफ डायस्टोलिक डिपोलराइजेशन. मीन्स वो इन शॉर्ट हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं एसिटाइलकोलिन डिक्रीजेज द हार्ट रेट एंड फोर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन विच लीड्स टू ब्रेडिकार्डिया. मीन्स एसिटाइलकोलिन हार्ट रेट डिक्रीज करने का काम करता है.
Acetylcholine also reduces atrial and ventricular contractility by acting on cardiac muscle. Acetylcholine increases potassium permeability, which leads to hyperpolarization and decrease in contractility.
Now see the figure. Here heart cell is there. Heart cell, that means plasma membrane, extracellular fluid and cytoplasm. Means ब्लू कलर जो दिख रहा है दैट इज एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर फ्लूइड. सेल के बाहर का मेम्ब्रेन है, बाहर का कंडीशन है. और जो पिंकिश कलर का दिख रहा है दैट इज द साइटोप्लाज्म मीन्स इनसाइड द सेल। तो एसिटाइल कोलिन जो है, नाउ सी, इंजेक्ट एसिटाइल कोलिन। जब हम एसिटाइल कोलिन इंजेक्ट करते हैं तो कौन से चैनल ओपन हुए? इट ओपन्स द पोटेशियम चैनल्स। पोटेशियम चैनल मीन्स potassium ions are going to enter from inside to the outside. पोटेशियम चैनल जब भी ओपन होते हैं तो दैट लीड्स टू द रिलैक्सेशन. सो दिस इज द mechanism of action of acetylcholine.
For studying effect of acetylcholine on frog's heart, perfuse the heart with frog ringer solution. Now start the drum and record normal contractions of heart on smoked paper for 1 minute. From the pattern recorded on the drum, you can see contractions of cardiac muscle and relaxation of the same. This event of contraction and relaxation is observed in the form of a single peak. Upgoing part of peak represents muscle contraction and reverse indicates relaxation. In these tracings, the number of peaks per minute indicates rate of contraction of heart, whereas height of a single peak indicates force of contraction. You can see that all the peaks in the tracing are of the same height and at the same distance. This means contractions are rhythmic and with normal tone. Now stop the drum, inject 0.1 ml of acetylcholine solution into the cannula. Start the drum immediately and record the response of heart on the smoked paper for 1 minute again. You can see that the rate of contraction and force of contraction of heart reduces due to acetylcholine.
Now see, when acetylcholine is injected, जो normal reading थी, after that height of peak is going to be decrease, and therefore we can say that acetylcholine decreases the heart rate and force of contraction. Now see.
Also observe the rhythmicity and tone of contraction. Repeat the same procedure by injecting 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4 ml of acetylcholine. Allow a time gap of 5 minutes between two successive doses to wear off the effect of earlier dose. From these observations, we can say that acetylcholine has negative chronotropic and negative inotropic effect on heart. Thus, cholinergics find application in tachycardia.
Means what we have studied, acetylcholine has negative chronotropic and negative inotropic effect. Means acetylcholine decreases the heart rate and force of contraction, and therefore it is the choice of drug in case of tachycardia. एसिटाइलकोलिन को हम कोलिनर्जिक्स भी कह सकते हैं, that we will see theory. So acetylcholine is having the use in tachycardia because it produces bradycardia. Now see the observation here. Acetylcholine in 0.1 ml dose. Second, acetylcholine in 0.2 ml. Acetylcholine in 0.3 ml. Acetylcholine in 0.4 ml dose. You may have seen that as we increase the dose of acetylcholine, it decreases the heart rate and force of contraction and tone.
You have learnt that acetylcholine inhibits functioning by decreasing its rate and force of contraction. Acetylcholine mimics muscarinic action.